At the light, turn left onto West McGalliard Road toward Ball State University.
Ball State University, coming off Highway 69. Shout out to Race Car 21. That dude is a riot, man. He saw my temperature set for 68 degrees. He was like, come on, man, what kind of man the culture wouldn't set it to 69 degrees? I'm like, you got me, man, you got me. Here we go again. Y'all recognize that dealership? Toyota of Muncie, back here in Muncie, Indiana once again. What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm buying a new car. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I'm buying the Corolla GR. So my very first poll I ever gave to you all, I gave you a list of cars that you want to see on the channel, and the Corolla GR was on there. And this was like a year and a half, 2 years ago. So this car has been living rent-free in my mind, and today is the day that I finally get one. So I didn't think it would happen, but I got a phone call last weekend and say, hey, we just got one in. So I'm buying a used one. So a sales associate that works at the dealership, he got a circuit edition, but I'm buying his former core edition, and we'll get to that in just a second. I do not see the car out. Oh, I actually see it. It's inside, so I'm about to go check it out. But first, we got to handle the business. I'm going to take it on the test drive to make sure it's mechanically sound. Today, I drove the Blazer down here just because of all the rain that was going on, thunderstorming. I cannot stand to drive in the rain or any kind of precipitation, snow either. But this Corolla GR is going to help with that. And yeah, all-wheel drive, so didn't get a Subaru, but we getting a Corolla GR. But I did tell them to call me when they got a Supra in. And this is my salesman Supra right here. Got 700 horsepower in this bad boy. Blew the transmission, but he back up and running again. So maybe I'll see him at the drag strip one day. I see my guy Devin, my salesman, sold me the M2, so I'm about to come in here and buy this car. So should be a quick process. I want to take the car for a quick spin, and then I'll be on my way back home. Camry in the way blocking me. My car is inside. It's actually right here. So let me get it pulled out because I got to check it out in the daylight to see what we're looking at. Do a quick walk around. This is the black core edition. And man, I thought I wanted it in red, but I think I might like the black a little more. But I'll save my judgment till we get outside. And speaking of being outside, got to give a shout out to the men of culture. Got 100 Gang Nate, Race Car Friends, and Blueprint 1LE. So this will make me the third edition. So we're grabbing up all these hot hatches. They got 2 Type R's. Got the Corolla GR, Type S. Talk about that later. Yeah, continue to go around here. And this thing look kind of menacing in black. Really thought I wanted red. Red brake calipers. GR4 down there. So I already got 10 on it. Praise him, won't he do it? So I got to meet the hero that traded this one in, and this is the one he got. So he got the circuit edition right here, and I got the core coming in. So I'm going to go and show you the differences in it. So this one, you can see it got hood vents on it. Mine does not. And then if you get down low really quick, you can see on the bottom it says GR4 on the radiator. And this one does not. And then of course, you know, this is why I want this circuit edition so bad. We got the carbon roof. Mine is just plain. You get a circuit edition spoiler which extends out. I got that one too. Shout out to the previous owner. And I got ceramic tints on here, not sure the percentage. And it's full PPF. So I got PPF on here already. So that's an added benefit. Looking at the diffusers back here. This one is not glossy. The circuit is glossy black. And then let's look on the inside really quick. So this is the part I'm going to be the most envious of, because we got soft touch stitching in here. Got nicer seats. We got a plaque down here. Alright. Then we got the nicer seats in here with the Alcantara inserts. And a couple nice touches here like soft touch dash. Then looking at the back seats, more of the same. Now looking at my car, got the wheel shine on there. They had the same wheels. Yep, we got the same wheels. And let me show y'all the inside of this one before I take it on a quick spin. So this doesn't have all that nice soft touch. This is cheap. It's got cloth seats, cloth in here, racing inspired. Got a little bit of soft touch dash, but not as nice as the Circuit Edition. And the rear seats are somewhat plain Jane. I see that he has a roof rack on his. And I got the roof rack in here as well. Let's take a walk around real quick so we can see what these cars are looking like. Y'all can comment, which color do you like more? Like, I know I like the Circuit Edition more, but mine is technically going to look like one, minus the roof and then the interior. So yeah, I guess it's not looking like one, but they're already similar. So I got all the features. I got the limited slip differentials, the technology package, and the heated or the cold weather package. So I got heated seats, heated steering wheel, and JBL audio. Already got tint all around as well, so that makes it look good. The guy that previously owned it, he does spent a lot of money on PPF on here. And you can see it on the front, like how it goes around the edges. So he's gonna need to do that to this car as well. So you got the fishbowl effect going on his, and mine's got that ceramic tint. So something I ain't gotta do. Stole one of my videos, and a spoiler too. But thankfully I don't have to spend that money. So mod well done. Should I put the roof rack on too? I don't know what I should do. I like the way it looks, but I doubt I would ever use it. But it looks cool. So I'm gonna keep this drive real brief. I just want to make sure I don't feel anything weird on this drive. So let me turn it on. Little throaty. This manual, it's a little different. This e-brake right here, which is out of the camera, this thing is beefy. Y'all gonna see it in another video though. And let me turn this to 30-70 split, because that's the way I figure I'm gonna drive all the time. 30% of the power to the front, 70% to the rear. I don't see myself ever driving a 60-40 unless I forget to change it. Can that thing like revert back every ignition cycle? I don't know. But let me get everything set up. Full on manual seats. Gonna drive in sport mode too. This car is pretty simplistic. I got a wireless charger in here too. Okay. Not completely poverty spec. The car not even warmed up yet. It's giving me a message on here saying to avoid excessive acceleration due to temperature. So we're gonna take it easy till we get warmed up. Man, this manual seat, man. Sure this ain't no poverty spec. Here's some whistling going on. Wasn't expecting that. Y'all hear that? tell this is a 3-cylinder. The shifter seems kind of familiar. It reminds me of a Subaru shifter that's not a short throw. Like how mechanical it is. This thing revs down really fast. U-turn. This thing pulls up top a lot, a whole lot, like over 4,000 RPMs. Boom, taking off. This shifter is really good too. Clutch is good, so it's easy to rev match downshift easily without the auto rev match feature on. Making some good noises, man. And the all-wheel drive gonna help me grip. So this is gonna be my wintertime baby right here. So I needed a car for the snow. This is gonna be it to make fun winter content with. Because it was gonna be a Subaru, but I was like, Corolla GR. This just fell in my lap, so had to do it. So it came prematurely, but wasn't expecting it, especially this soon. But this car, I've been waiting for one of these for a long time. Been interested since the GR Yaris, and I saw that they were sneaking this one into the US, where they gave us teasers. So I'm like, oh, we doing that? Let me do one more pull before we pull back into the dealership. Just want to make sure I don't hear nothing. Need to do a brake test too. This thing handle. Yeah. Stopping power too. No Call of Duty. Drive around this parking lot real quick, and then I'll go in, pay my monies, and head off. Okay, I missed my turn because I didn't realize the dealership was way over there. Somebody let me know, is it Gazoo or Gazoo? So I know Gazoo from the Flintstones, but I hear people like the European guys say Gazoo. I know they pronounce their words differently, or wrong because we're in America, but what is it? Exhaust don't sound half bad either for it to be such a tiny displacement. 1.5 liter, 3-cylinder, 300 horsepower, 273 foot-pounds of torque. Is it pounds or foot-pounds? 3,113 miles. Shout out to 313. Detroit is where I'm from. Prop rod comes from the top, 6 down in here. And this is what I got under the hood. Turbo 3-cylinder. Bunch of room under here. The car seems to check out well from my inspection, so it runs mechanically fine. As it should, it's only 3,000 miles. And should something happen, I'm under warranty. But let's go and talk to the final boss, which is the finance manager, and get this deal done. I'm all set here. This is the fastest finance manager in the business I've ever dealt with. 2-3 minutes tops with the finance manager. And then Devin, my salesman, shout out to him, huge shout out to him, man, because he told me once he gets one of these in, he would let me know. So I knew about this car before it was posted online, and I got the chance to put a deposit on it before anybody knew about it. So he secured this deal. Like, without him, oh my God, somebody just hit somebody. But without him, this deal would not be done. Like, these cars are very hard to come across. So special shout out to Devin and Toyota of Muncie. Like, the whole staff here is nice, man. Got a lot of car enthusiasts here. Like, they got nice cars here, and they own some good stuff. We got GT3 owners here, ZL1 owners here with like 1,100 horsepower. But I am about to head out of here, so I will not be driving the Corolla GR home. They're going to deliver it to me because I drove my wife's vehicle. Didn't want to drive in the rain and my stuff, so this will be home actually tomorrow. So you guys won't miss a beat. By the time this video is posted, the car will be at home. This is the only one that they got. This was the only allocation they thought they were getting. And then this one popped up, so they gave the guy that bought this one the chance to get this one, so we bought that one, and now I got this one, so it all worked out. Once again, huge shout out to Toyota of Muncie, especially Devin, man. So I was able to get the track information, like you get a free NASA track day. I'm going to see if it transfers over from the previous owner because he didn't use it, so they gave me all the information for that. And also they invited me to the track day at the Corvette Museum, because these are real car guys here, so they invited me down there. So video coming for that. I don't know when it is, but man, I told y'all this is like one of the best dealerships ever. Don't tell City of Cars, but this is a great dealership as well. Like this and City of Cars, this best experience I've experienced, man. That 4.8, 4.9 rating on Google, that ain't lying, man. No lie here. I would not lie to you. So check them out if you're looking for a car. You're in the Indiana area. I drove down here from Michigan. It's like 3.5, 4 hours, but it's worth the drive, man. I'm Q, checking out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.